The functions px and qx are defined by the following table, in which some values are missing and these are indicated by question marks. The table also contains some values of the function Rx, which is defined by Rx is equal to Q of Px. That means Rx is a composite function of Q and Px. Again, some values of Rx have been replaced by question marks. Now the question is, what is the sum of all the missing values in the table? Since Rx is equal to Q of Px, we get R0 is equal to Q of P0. And from the table, P0 is equal to 4. Therefore, R0 is equal to Q of 4. Again, from the table, Q of 4 is 5. Therefore, R0 is equal to 5. Similarly, R4 is equal to Q of P4, and from the table, P4 is equal to 1. Therefore, R4 is equal to Q1, and since Q1 is equal to 2, that is this, we get R4 is equal to 2. Now from the table, R2 is equal to 0. Also from the table, Q3 is 0. Therefore, R2 is equal to Q3. But by definition, R2 is equal to QP2. Now QP2 is therefore equal to Q3, because Q3 is also equal to R2. Now look at this equation. QP2 is equal to Q3. So here P2 has been replaced by the value 3. Therefore, P2 is equal to 3. Next, from the table, R1 is equal to 1. By definition, R1 is equal to Q of P1, and that is equal to 1. But from the table, Q5 is equal to 1. So Q5 is equal to 1. Therefore, Q5 is equal to, that is this, is equal to this, because both are equal to 1. This is equal to this. Hence, we notice that P1 is replaced by 5. Therefore, the value of P1 is 5. From the table, R5 is equal to 3. This is R5. But R5 is also equal to, by definition, Q of P5. And Q of P5 is 0. Sorry, P5 is 0. So Q of P5 is Q of 0. Therefore, Q0 is equal to 3, because Q0 is Q of P5, and that is same as R5, and R5 is 3. Hence, Q of 0 is 3. Finally, from the table, R3 is equal to 4. That is, R3 is equal to 4. But R3 by definition is equal to Q of P3. But from the table, P3 is equal to 2. Therefore, Q of P3, which is same as Q of 2, and that is equal to R3, and that is equal to 4. So, Q of 2 is equal to 4. Hence, the sum of the missing values, which are P1 plus P2 plus Q0 plus Q2 plus R0 plus R4 is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2, and that is equal to 22, and this is the answer. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification of new videos immediately. Also press the bell icon. You can always unsubscribe later if you want to. Thank you very much.